Welcome to this video about Masjid an-Nabawi, one of the most iconic and revered mosques in the world. In this video, we will take you on a journey through time, from the 7th century to the present day, to explore the history, architecture, and significance of Al-Masjid an-Nabawi. Masjid an-Nabawi, also known as the Prophet's Mosque, is located in the city of Medina in modern-day Saudi Arabia. It was built by the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and his companions in 622 CE, shortly after the Prophet's migration from Mecca to Medina. The original mosque was a simple structure made of mud bricks, with a thatched roof and wooden columns. Over the centuries, the mosque underwent several expansions and renovations to accommodate the growing number of worshippers and visitors. During the Ottoman Empire, the mosque was expanded significantly, with the addition of new domes, minarets, and courtyards. The Ottoman sultans also built several landmarks around the mosque, including the green dome that covers the tomb of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and his companions. In 1951, the Saudi Arabian government embarked on a major renovation project to modernize the mosque and enhance its capacity. The mosque was expanded again in the 1980s and 1990s, with the addition of new prayer halls, courtyards, and facilities for pilgrims. Today, Al-Masjid an-Nabawi is one of the largest mosques in the world, with a capacity of over 1 million worshippers. It is a major pilgrimage site for Muslims from around the world, who come to perform the Umrah and Hajj rituals.